Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Sana K. I am from B.Ed batch. My topic is an analysis of RFID authentication scheme in healthcare environment by using ACC under the guidance of V. Shivkumar sir. These are my contents. Let me first explain about the introduction part. History. In earlier days, there was not any mode for communication like internet, mobile phones, etc. Nowadays, Internet of Things is playing an most important and a powerful mode for communication. RFID, that is radio frequency identification, is one of the most important technologies which is used in IoT. IoT with RFID technology meets the security requirements. Objective. The main objective of RFID authentication scheme is for object tracking and identification purposes. RFID will meet the capability to withstand fraud, that is impersonation and forgery attacks on the data. Area of the project. This project was implemented on the IoT platform. Software requirement for this project is SOA, web services, etc. Hardware requirement for this project is ECC, jump wires for communication, etc. Methodologies used for in RFID authentication schemes are high weight schemes, middle weight schemes, lightweight schemes, which is divided into these three parts. First, let me explain about high weight schemes. The high weight scheme was proposed by Godher and Imre, which is an ECC based RFID scheme using a simplified version of EL-GAML scheme and elliptic curve digital signature algorithm. Middleweight schemes. Both of the public key encryption operation and the digital signature operation are complex operation in middleweight schemes. Lightweight schemes. ECC based RFID authentication schemes are done here. Typical RFID based healthcare system. Users, that those are doctor, nurse and patients. RFID enables healthcare system. These are actually an application: asset tracking system, patient identification system, drug administration system and access control system. This for all an applications of RFID which are connected with the internet, which is a wireless network which is connected with the database to store the data. The database is connected with the hospital legacy system and also with the terminal. The data sent to the terminal is sent to the RFID reader. The data sent to the RFID reader is sent to the RFID tag. The tagged objects in the RFID tag are patient, asset, drug container and medical appliances. Architecture for an RFID authentication scheme. RFID tag will send an data to the RFID reader. RFID reader will establish an insecure channel between RFID tag and RFID reader and also an secure channel between RFID reader and backend server. RFID reader will also establish an communication between RFID tag and an backend server. What are the benefits to the organization by using an RFID authentication scheme? Increase asset visibility. Suppose I have lost the data or I have misplaced the data. By using RFID authentication, we can keep a track on the data so that we can easily able to find the data which is lost or misplaced. Mitigate risk and theft and loss, which means we'll be having a supply chain in which some items are stored and distributed and to be delivered, whether no matter where they are in the supply chain, but the RFID authentication scheme will always keep an track of that particular items, which is more beneficial for organization or a companies. Future scope. The future of RFID is growing, which means most of the companies invest in this technology since it is very much cost effective and also reliable, which is very much important in solving real world business challenges. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have came to know that RFID is a very critical security services, has done a very critical security services for IoT implementation in healthcare environment, and also it is very secured. In RFID the data is very secured, very much secured, so will not be having any risk or a stress on us for any theft or a loss of data. And also it is identified and they have accepted computation and communication cost, making them suitable for using in IoT applications deployed in, which means we are accepting that which it is a most important thing, which is most cost effective, so we are using it in using it for communication and also for healthcare environment. These are the references which I have referred. Thank you.